Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off auto hold on your Kia. This feature is designed to keep your vehicle stationary when stopped, but you might want to disable it for certain situations. The process is quite straightforward. First, ensure your vehicle is on. Then, simply find and press the dedicated auto hold button, usually found near your gear shifter. The corresponding indicator light on your dashboard will then go out, confirming it is off. Finding the auto hold button is usually very easy. In most Kia models, you will find this button conveniently placed on your center console. It's often situated close to your gear shift lever or near the electronic parking brake switch. The button is clearly marked with the words auto hold, making it simple to identify at a glance. Once you locate it, you are ready to manage this feature. Understanding how auto hold works helps you decide when to use it. When activated, this system automatically maintains brake pressure after you bring your Kia to a complete stop, even if you lift your foot from the brake pedal. A white light on your dashboard indicates the system is in standby, ready to engage. When the vehicle stops and the system is holding the brakes, this light will turn green, confirming it is actively engaged. Knowing when to use or disable auto hold can enhance your driving experience. It is particularly useful in heavy stop-and-go traffic, allowing you to relax your foot from the brake pedal. However, for delicate maneuvers such as parallel parking or when going through an automatic car wash, it is best to turn it off. The system will automatically disengage when you gently press the accelerator pedal to move forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.